A small pan fire in your kitchen can turn into a massive fireball in seconds. One moment it's just flames in the pot. The next, someone pours water on it and there's an explosion. That's because water sinks beneath hot oil, instantly turns to steam and blasts burning oil into the air. What looked manageable suddenly becomes uncontrollable. I am PADDIE, your safety buddy. I help you spot the danger before the danger spots you. Grease fires are common in busy kitchens and homes. Remember the fire triangle: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Remove one and the fire goes out. Turn off the heat if safe. Never use water. Instead, smother the flames with a damp cloth or a metal lid to cut off oxygen. Keep a Class F wet chemical extinguisher nearby. The takeaway on this: water spreads grease fires. Smother them, don't splash them.